There's a little toy shop at the very end of Maple Street. Its wooden door always hangs half open, and at night, a dim orange light flickers through the dusty windows. On Halloween evening, 10-year-old Amy walked home from school. The sky was heavy with gray clouds, and the wind carried the smell of autumn leaves. That's when she saw it, a sign outside the toy shop. Pumpkin lanterns, half price. The pumpkins in the window all smiled oddly, as if hiding a secret. Amy pushed open the creaky door. A small bell rang. Ding. Behind the counter stood an old man with round glasses, polishing a lantern. "Looking for something, little one?" he asked kindly. Amy pointed at a pumpkin with swirling carvings on its face. "It's cute," she said. The old man smiled, but whispered, "Remember to light it before midnight, or it will light itself." Amy blinked. "What do you mean?" But he only smiled again. She shrugged, paid, and left. At home, her mother was still at work. The house felt unusually quiet. Only the ticking of the clock filled the air. Amy did her homework, turned on the TV, and then, knock, knock, knock. She froze. Someone was at the door. She opened it. No one was there. But on the doorstep sat the pumpkin lantern. Its candle was burning bright, casting a trembling orange glow. Amy frowned. She hadn't lit it. When she tried to blow it out, the flame refused to die. The more she tried, the brighter it burned. Then, a whispering voice came from inside.
"Don't be afraid, little one. I just want to go home."
Amy gasped.
"Who are you?"
"A soul trapped inside this light.
The voice said softly.
Every Halloween, I search for someone kind enough to help me see the world again."
Amy stared at the glowing eyes of the pumpkin. She felt more curious than afraid.
"All right.
She said.
I'll take you for a walk."
She stepped into the cold night, carrying the lantern in both hands. They passed empty streets, silent houses, and an old church. The wind whispered through the trees.
"Why were you trapped?"
Amy asked.
"Long ago, I was a boy who loved Halloween pranks.
The voice sighed.
One night, I scared a little girl so badly that she cursed me to live forever inside a pumpkin until someone showed me kindness."
Amy's eyes softened. The lantern's glow grew warmer. Dawn was breaking. The first light touched the clouds.
"Will you be free now?"
She asked.
"Almost.
The voice whispered.
Thank you, Amy, for helping me see the light again."
The candle flickered one last time and went out. Amy smiled through her tears. The air felt peaceful again. The next morning, her mother found her asleep beside the lantern. The pumpkin's face looked softer, almost kind. Her mother smiled. "Happy Halloween, sweetheart." As she turned away, the lantern's eyes glimmered faintly once more. A tiny spark of orange light, like a promise that some stories never end.